Welcome to the greatest online singing, rap, and dance competition in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Krak Terminator. I'm living in United States of America. I'm the promoter of the Krak Terminator online competition. Whatever the sing style, the rap style, the dance style you can perform, you can participate in this competition. This is a great opportunity to reach out your goal. There will be a big prize for the winner, for the second place, and for the third place. In any country that you are located in the world, you can participate. I'm gonna explain you quickly the rules of this competition. I'm gonna read first and explain after. Rule 1. The competition will take place on the YouTube channel Krak Terminator Online Competition. The winner will receive $1,000, the second will receive $600, and the third will receive $400. The winner will receive $1,000, the second will receive $600, the third will receive $400. Rule 2. Choose the beat you like from ones I will send you. Write your own lyrics in your preferred language with any title you want over the whole beat, and there should be 2 or 3 choruses. Play the beat with another player, sing or rap. So a normal music with your natural voice, without a microphone, without a studio. Film yourself with only one phone to make the video and send it to me. The video should not be edited. You can place people in one of you or behind you to move or dance with you. I'm going to explain quickly. So you will be sent a couple of beats. You're going to listen to them one by one and you choose what you like. So on this beat, you're going to write your own lyrics there. You're going to choose your title, any title you want about any subject you want. You're going to write them down. After, if you're going to sing, you will harmonize them on the beat. If you're going to rap, you're going to arrange them on the beat. You can use any microphone, any studio. I saw sometimes that people use Android application studio to take voice. So you can't use them. It should be your natural voice. Film yourself with only one phone, not 2 phones, and the video should not be edited. Don't change anything in the video. Don't write anything on the video. You can sing or rap by yourself, or you can decide to place people in one of you or behind you, or to move or to dance behind of you. So it is very easy. Film yourself with just one phone to make the video and send it to me. The video should not be edited, and you can do it by yourself or in group. Rule 3. You have 4 days to send the video. Day 1 begins the day after you receive the beats. If you have any difficulties, you can send the video in 4 days. Write me to ask me for additional days. In the previous edition, some people took more than 4 days after they sent the video. So I didn't receive them. I didn't publish them because rules are rules. If I ask you 4 days to send a video, you should respect it as 4 days. And if you have some difficulty, any types they can be, you should ask me for extra days to send your video, to make your video done. It is a very simple, very easy. Rule 4. You must arrange the phone in landscape format. It as if the phone was laying down. You must arrange the phone in landscape format. It as if the phone was laying down. So I'm going to show you the landscape format. This is the landscape format, like this. Not like that. This is the portrait. This is the landscape format. I need the landscape format. If you don't do it in the landscape format, I'm going to ask you to redo your video because I need this format. It as if your phone was laying down. Okay? Rule 5. You must dress and do your hair decently with nice clothes. What does that mean? So I'm not going to ask you to go to store to buy new clothes or to buy expensive clothes. So between what you got, you're going to choose the better one and wear them the day of the video, because this is a professional competition. I need that your video should appear in professional way. This is only simple. What about your hair? I don't mean to make your hair cut. So just arrange them in a good way, in a beautiful way, to make the video. Only that. So I don't ask anyone to go to buy new clothes. I don't ask anyone to buy expensive clothes. Only in what you got, choose the best one. Only that. Rule 6. You must look for a beautiful background to make your video. You must look for a beautiful background to make your video. It's very important for us that the video should appear like a professional video. This is the reason why I ask you to look for a beautiful background to make your video. In a video, the background is very important. Rule 7. If you don't respect the condition, you will be asked to redo your video. Rule 7. If you don't respect the condition, you will be asked to redo the video. What I mean? Some previous participants in the previous competition missed some condition about the regulation, about the rules. So their video didn't appear in a professional mode. I had to ask them to redo their video. So if you don't want to redo your video, so follow exactly the rule, the condition that I ask you. Rule 8. After sending the competition video, you will make another small video separately with different clothes to introduce yourself. You will say your name, your country where you live, and that you are happy to participate in the Krak Terminator online competition, and thanks. Only that. Don't be too long. In the previous competition, some participants were too long about their presentation, about the introduction. So don't be too long. Only say your name, the country where you're living in, and that you are very happy to participate in the Krak Terminator online competition, and thanks. Only that, only that. Don't be too long, please. Rule 9. I will publish the video on the YouTube channel of the competition, and I will get you the link to the video so that you can promote it while sharing it on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and so on to get views, like, comment, and subscribe. So I think that to be the winner of this competition, you should get a lot of views from the internet, a lot of comments, a lot of likes. So to get them, you have to share your video as much as possible on all social media to get them. It's very, very, very simple. Some participants took only 1 week to win the competition. It is very simple, very easy. Just share your video as much as possible and request them to subscribe, to like, to comment, and share your video. You will get a lot of views, a lot of subscribers, a lot of comments, a lot of likes. Rule 10. To win the competition, you must be the first participant to reach out 50,000 points. Rule 10. To win the competition, you must be the first participant to reach out 15,000 points. To be the winner of the competition, you must be the first participant to reach out 50,000 points. We're going to head to the next rule. Rule 11. To have 1 point, the voter must do this 3 things. First, subscribe and click the bell. Second, watch the video. Third, like the video. The first one is to subscribe and click the bell. The second, watch the video. And the third one, like the video. If the voter miss one of these conditions, you won't have any point of them. So it is very important to understand how to get a point. First, subscribe and click the bell, watch the video, and click like on the video. So it is very simple. While you are watching the video, you click subscribe, you click the bell, and you click like, and you continue to watch the video. You see? Very simple. Don't forget to ask your voter to subscribe, click the bell, and like your video while watching the video. Very easy, very simple. Alright? Rule 12. As soon as a participant has won, the competition will end automatically. As soon as a participant won, the competition will end automatically. In the previous edition, some participants asked me about this question. When will end the competition? I said, there is no date for the competition to be ended because I don't know when a participant gonna reach out the condition, the role to be the winner. Okay? So it can be 1 day, it can be 1 week, 2 weeks, or 1 month. It will depend on the participant. I don't know when someone gonna reach out with the 50,000 points. Rule 13. In order for the second and third place to be eligible to receive the bonus, as soon as the competition is over, there must be in the 45,000 to 49,999 point interval. If one or the other does not found in this interval, it will not receive a bonus. I'm gonna wait again and explain. In order for the second and third place to be eligible to receive the bonus, as soon as the competition is over, they must be in 45,000 to 49,999 point interval. If one or the other one does not found in this interval, it will not receive the bonus. Like I just said, there is no date for the competition to be ended. I don't know when someone will reach out the condition to be the winner. So when we got a winner, the competition will be ended automatically. So after being ended automatically, I'm gonna see if I can get some people in this interval, 45,000 to 49,999 points. If you are in this interval, you will be eligible to receive the bonus. If you are not in this interval, you won't receive any bonus. The interval is 45,000 points to 49,999. You should be in this interval to be eligible to receive the second place and the third place prime. If you are not in this interval, you won't be eligible to receive any bonus for the second place and the third place. This is very clear. Rule 14. How you will receive the money? You will receive the money via transfer method. Rule 14. How you will receive the money? You will receive the money via transfer method. Don't ask me to do other way. I said transfer method. I don't know in which country the winner gonna come from, so I will contact him to know which transfer method he has in his country to make the process. So thank you for watching this video. So I will meet you in the next step of the competition. I hope that you will be the winner. Thank you.